Hey, what's up guys? John here. Breaking news, Los Angeles County just extended the eviction moratorium until September 30th. This will be about 18, 19 months that tenants did not have to pay rent if it ends September 30th. We have to not forget that the winter is right around the corner. It's going to be very unlikely that they're going to allow people to begin the eviction process during the holidays in the dead smack of winter. Gavin Newsom is going out there promising that he's going to pay everybody's back rent. He's going to do so much for the people. Unfortunately, it seems like a lot of people are buying into that narrative. They're believing him. And I don't understand how people can believe someone with so little credibility that he's going to do such a generous gesture for all of these people throughout LA County and California, when in fact it benefits him more just to keep stringing people along, puts him in a power position, and that's exactly what he wants. Please smash that like button. When you do, it's going to help expose Gavin Newsom and everything he's doing to the beautiful state of California. Look at this article. It came out 5-10 minutes ago. Look at this. This is ABC News. LA County Board of Supervisors extends the ban on evictions until September 30th. The Los Angeles County Board of Supervisors voted unanimously, of course they did, to extend the county's eviction moratorium through September 30th. The moratorium put in place to help struggling renters during the pandemic was set to expire this week or next week. Not everyone was in favor of the extension. Landlords say they're too struggling, and if they want to pay their own bills, they need to start collecting full rent once again. Right now, tenants only have to pay 25% of the rent. So if your rent is $2,000, you only have to pay $500 a month. Absolute insanity, especially given the fact that landlords have only received $1 million. $1 million since this all began in March of 2020. So landlords have been holding the bag. And meanwhile, institutional investors are running out there gobbling up single-family homes and multifamily homes throughout the country. Blackstone, for example, today closed on a $6 billion business, and that business owns 17,000 residential homes all throughout America. So it seems like Gavin Newsom's on that team. Landlords say they're struggling. Supervisors say that they are concerned about the mom and pop landlords who rely on income from those renters to get by. They express the need to phase out protections and encourage tenants to apply for state and local rent relief. With the pandemic resulting in lost jobs and reduced hours for millions of workers, the eviction moratorium was put in place last year to prevent renters from losing their homes. Between 700,000 and 1 million Californians are in danger of being evicted if this moratorium is not extended. And about 3/4 of renters in California who are behind on the rent are people of color, according to the National Equity Atlas Rent Debt Dashboard. So now this is an inequality situation. It's a fight against racism by basically ruling out capitalism, pushing forward communism. It's pretty crazy. You think about how hard landlords work to save to buy a duplex. Business owners work so hard to save to buy a duplex or a fourplex. Now they have to operate that property. They have to pay the taxes on it. Landlords don't get any type of break right now. They still have to pay their property tax. They have to make sure everything is good with the building. There's no issues or outstanding issues that need to be corrected or repaired. And tenants basically get to live for free. It's a sin. Gavin Newsom is really an enemy of the people. Okay? I'm happy that a lot of people seem to be waking up to just how bad this guy really is. Governor Gavin Newsom said that all past due rent accumulated during the pandemic will be paid to landlords by the state. California received over $5 billion in aid, enough to pay off all unpaid rent. Even if he does do this, which I would bet anybody that he will not do this, but even if he does do this, this isn't a good step forward for the country. This is pushing us away from the American dream, giving away free everything, building out an entitled society where nobody wants to work. This is not a gesture of kindness. The governor's office tells Eyewitness News that he is focused on distributing rental assistance as quickly as possible, and they're in talks on how to extend the eviction moratorium to benefit those who need it most. It's a sin. What do you guys think about Gavin Newsom, about California? California and New York are heading in a real bad place, a real bad direction. But it's a sin, because I moved to California in 2005, 2006, opened my first business there in 2008. And ever since 2011, 2012, it's just been getting harder and harder and harder to make a successful enterprise there, because they're just taxing the hell out of you. They're regulating the hell out of you. It's a bad situation, unfortunately, and it's all thanks to a few bad apples that are ruining everything, rolling out this crazy agenda. So I hope this eviction moratorium ends. What do you guys think? Do you think it's going to end September 30th? Drop your comments below, smash the like button, and consider subscribing to this channel as well as my second channel. I'll leave the link down below. I go live on that second channel 3 times a week and talk about real estate, personal finance, making money online, everything that's going to help us move forward. So smash that like button. See you guys in the next one. If you've enjoyed this video and want to dive deeper into the real world of real estate investing, make sure to check out my gold standard program, Cash Flow Burner Blueprint, by clicking the link in the description below this video. We're currently living in very difficult times. I personally believe these are some of the hardest times that we've ever lived in. We are losing, in many cases, our families, our businesses, our jobs, our sense of security. All this is at threat right now, and it's all thanks to the draconian shutdowns that we're all faced to live under. It's times like these that we can see the value in having more than one stream of income. This is certainly not an unattainable goal or something reserved for only a select few. It is the achievement through education and hard work. Now is the time to be relying on multiple streams of income and not just Big Brother. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but if you think that your pension is going to cover your retirement, you're going to be in for a rude awakening. Don't wait until misfortune knocks at your door. Be proactive and create more security for yourself and your family. One of the best ways you can earn a side hustle today is through real estate investing, something that I've been involved in for over a decade. The strategy is to invest in multifamily homes and live off of rental income through your tenants. These are some of the homes and apartments I currently own and I'm renting out. In my Cash Flow Burner Blueprint, I'll teach you the ins and outs to real estate investing. You'll learn everything about recession-proof investing, real estate versus stocks, different types of real estate investing, how to appraise your own deals so you're not leaning on a third party to tell you what something is worth, out-of-state investing, maximizing your profits, and minimizing your expenses, improving your credit score, different types of loans and which one best fits you and your deal, selecting the right mortgage broker, finding the best deal, lease agreements, and how to find great tenants, and many, many more topics. This is my gold standard program, and in it I put together 1 decade's worth of experience and millions of dollars that I've invested, saving you the time and the money to learn the lessons that I had to learn. To learn more, click the link in the description below this video.